In this video, I'll be going over range, how you calculate it, and why it's important. So soon enough, you'll be learning how to do this programmatically, but in its rawest form, range is really just the maximum value minus the minimum value. And so when you have a big data set, range can often be useful in understanding the scope of the numbers that you're using, how varied it is, and it also helps you understand why the data set could be so big. So it provides an indication of the dispersion around a central tendency, whether it be the mean or the median, which we'll be covering in later videos as well. And so that's basically the importance of range. And in the next video, you'll learn how to calculate it.